What's up everybody, Kid and Right here. So yeah guys, the Google Pixel 4 or the Google Pixel 4 XL might not be properly announced before October, but Google has already shared some details about the design and features of its upcoming smartphones. Also, we've seen various leaked images and renders of the two devices. Due to this, we have a pretty good idea how the smartphone will actually look like. But till yet, we haven't seen the actual hands-on video of the working Pixel 4 or the Pixel 4 XL. Well, thanks to a short hands-on videos of the Pixel 4 XL that popped up on Facebook, gives us a best look at the Google Pixel 4. The first video shows that the device has almost no chin while the top bezel is noticeably thick. The back of the phone is quite shiny and has a dual camera setup with LED flash. This shiny back right there looks really cool as compared to the previous Pixel models. With that being said, power and volume buttons can be spotted on the right side and a dual speakers seen to be found at the bottom with a USB Type-C port. And here is the second video. This second video shows us the white version of the device. This one also reveals more details about the UI elements, including the new Android 10 navigation bar and a glimpse of the camera interface at the very end of this video. Overall, there is nothing special in these videos though, but these hands-on videos can give you more accurate idea about the actual look of the smartphone. After releasing the Android 10 to Pixel smartphones, Google also posted the source code for this latest version of Android. And in digging through the significant numbers of codes, the folks at XDA developers found that the Pixel 4 series are indeed coming with the 90Hz displays. By itself though, the code means very little as there are a growing numbers of Android phones capable of displaying with a 90Hz refresh rate. However, Google shows that the Pixel 4 series referred to as a P19 devices as having a 90Hz display. So yeah, Google Pixel 4 and the Pixel 4 XL are indeed coming with the 90Hz display rate, which is indeed a good thing. So yeah guys, what do you think about it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.